Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to deposit funds on Kraken. Please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Before starting, make sure you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first you will open your Kraken app and then go ahead and log into your account and then tap funding which is on the bottom menu and then click deposit and then choose your fiat which is either USD, euro or whatsoever and or crypto. Then for fiat you will select your bank account and then you will enter amount and then tap deposit. For crypto you will select the crypto and then you will generate deposit address and then you will copy the address or scan QR code. Then you will transfer from external wallet or exchange and Kraken will credit your account after network confirmations. Check portfolio and then deposit funds should appear. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.